Camp Ripley is about 18 to 19 miles long. It's about 4 to 5 miles wide. We're actually 84 square miles in size. We're actually one of the largest landowners on the Mississippi River. We actually have 19 miles of frontage, basically undisturbed, just a couple sites where we do. This is actually a bridge crossing. We actually harden the site. We actually build bridges across to the other site, transport vehicles back and forth. The float you're going to do today is going to be about, I don't know, maybe 3 miles or so along the river. There's going to be multiple islands. As we get a couple miles down, we're going to try to stay to the right farther because we're going to access off the same side you guys entered on. Any questions of me before you guys go out on the water?
Yeah, look at, they're like coming right, you're getting them ramming here.
But back in the mid-1800s, the Department of the Army owned 57,000 acre patch on the west side that used to be the old Fort Ripley site. It's interesting now that the Guard now owns 53,000 sites on the opposite side of the river.
Side.
Yeah.
Now I assume that none of this is fenced here?
Nope.
So
do you
free
have problems
access
with
up and
people,
down
or?
the river?
Yep.
Okay.
The Camp Ripley has basically two natural boundaries, the Mississippi and the Crow River, which is the north boundary and the east boundary.
Okay.
The west and the south are fenced, considered a closed access.
Yours is headed that way.
Oregon, they don't have an income tax. Oregon doesn't have a sales tax. Just on the north side.
That's not a bad idea. Coming up. Sorry. No.
You're like, wow, I only get fucking my guy. Everyone was scared because she had to ride with me.
No, we had a fun.
She didn't have fun with me.
We didn't end up in the water.
So you get to throw you in the river?
No, that means, did you enjoy it or not?
Oh yeah, every time. Thank you. You wanted to do it longer.
Well, good.